the quote m end quote in the equation y equals mx plus b. Slope. Y equals mx plus b is the slope-intercept form of the equation of a line. The reason it is called the slope-intercept form is that it has a slope, m, and an intercept, parentheses the y-intercept, quote b, end quote, end parentheses. Quote m, end quote, is the variable used to mean slope. Slope, quote m, end quote, is the rise over run, or change in y over change in x, or delta y over delta x, or parentheses y2 minus y1 end parentheses, divided by parentheses x2 minus x1 end parentheses. On a Cartesian coordinate graph, the y values represent the vertical or up and down, or quote rise end quote, of a graph. Conversely, on a Cartesian coordinate graph, the x values represent the horizontal or left to right, or quote run end quote, of a graph. So taken together as a rate, which is a unit over a unit, or a unit divided by a unit, we have a slope m, which is a fraction. The slope fraction m has the rise as the numerator, parentheses the upper number in a fraction, end parentheses, and the denominator, parentheses the lower position in a fraction, end parentheses, as the run. So the slope m is the rise over run, and is a rate, and is a fraction. It should be noted that every number is a fraction, and therefore a slope equal to 2 is really 2 divided by 1, or a rise of 2 and a run of 1. In the slope-intercept form of the equation y equals mx plus b, if we have y equal to 3/2 x plus 5, then the slope is 3 over 2, or a rise of 3 over a run of 2, for any point on the graph, which is a line in this case. The quote m, end quote, in the equation y equals mx plus b is the slope. Synonyms: rate, antonyms, intercept. Related words: graphing, graph, line, linear.